Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do in this channel is all about looking for deals, special promotions, discounted items. Okay, so if that's something you're interested, you come to the right channels. Sit back, relax, and enjoy today's deal. Well, yesterday while we were shopping for at Costco, we noticed this fan right here. As you can see here online, it says $169. And starting from April 29th all the way to May 16th, which is until tomorrow, they have $50 off, bringing this down to $119. Well, yesterday while I was in Costco, the in-store price was $149 and $50 off, so making this about $99. Okay, so this, let me click close up right here. This is exactly what it looks like. And when you buy the fan, you're gonna have to assemble the wheels. It's pretty easy. You just like screw this in, and then you need to use a Phillips screwdriver, and it comes with the bolt already. You just need to tighten it and screw it in. The tires here, it doesn't need air, and this is facing down, actually facing up. And this is the back side of it. You can start with low all the way to max. Okay, so if you're in the market for a fan, this one does come with a 5 years warranty, and in store it's a lot cheaper, I guess. So they raised the price on this one just for online or something. But if you have a Costco nearby your house, it's $99. Okay. So I'll list all the information in the description sections. If you guys have any questions, just ask. Now just enjoy the unboxing and a little bit of reviewing it, the product. Not really review, but just turn it on and see how much pressure or it has. Okay, so enjoy. Take care. What you're looking at is the new Dewalt fan that I just got from Costco. Online it says $169, but I guess without the discount, come out to be $129. However, if you go into the store, they have listed as for I think $149 and $50 off, so it come out to be like $99. And I bought this one because it looks big, it looks durable, sturdy. Do I really need it? Probably not, but I just want to have it. So let's take a look at the fan from the outside itself. So you can see here, the model number is DXF2490. And it says 60 cm, 24-inch drum fan. Okay, and it probably has it probably in Spanish and another language as well. Here, this is the side of it, and it's made in China. It weighs 14 kilograms. Here's right here, advertising right there. Has a 5 years warranty. What else? For indoor use. So this is for indoor. So I'm gonna set this down and I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, so let's see. Let's do it. So this is the other side. Front side, back side. Okay, so let's get this open up.
Here's go the wheel. Take a look at the wheel. Any more? Another wheel on the bottom here. Wheel. The instructions, manuals, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so let's flip this down. Go. Ooh. Heavy, heavy, heavy. There we go. Okay, that's the fan right there. Looks huge. Let's see if we can install the wheels. Okay, should be easy. Just come with a, doesn't matter what side I put it in. Is it this way? It doesn't go all the way or what? So the size is 16 millimeter. that's pretty much it. The assembly is done. These tires here, you don't really need to put any air in it. And you only need to put this motor here, and the other one's here. That's it. In the back, I'm gonna take you around to show you the back of it. So here, a little bit of close up on the wheel. You can see here. This knob here is where you can turn and to adjust the angle. And on the back, it has the on and off switch, and it goes from low to max. Okay, so as you can see, my daughter's put a lot of her paintings up there, her drawings up there, and back against this wall as well. But I'm gonna turn the fan and let you guys hear the noise. Hopefully it doesn't blow this camera away. And let's see. The extension, I said maybe 12 feet, more or less. Okay, let's turn it on little by little. That's low. I turn it on a little bit more. That's medium. That's not even high yet. That's medium steel. So maximum right there. That's maximum. It's kind of noisy. That's max. All right, so there you go. Put it together. It's pretty much just put the two wheels together. It's already included with this bolt right here, and just tighten it. Use the 16 millimeter, and over here you just use a Phillips screwdriver, and that's pretty much it. You have everything up and running. And thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.